What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now, YouTube family, man, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Your boy been sick, man. I don't know what's been going on. I don't know if it's the weather or the temperature or whatever it is, man. I've been having this crazy little cough. You know what I'm saying? I've been under the weather, pretty much. So I ain't been making no videos. I ain't been doing like no little unboxing or like, you know, reviews or my thoughts on things. But hey, listen, you see I ain't coughing, you see I ain't sneezing, I ain't wheezing, you know what I'm saying? So we here, we back, you better than ever, you know what I'm saying? We still kind of recovering a little bit, but hey, it's okay though, cause you know I'm strong, you know what I'm saying? I'm a little healthy. So that being said, man, I got something special for y'all today. I got a little video, you know, a sneaker that I've been waiting on since I first seen it, you know what I'm saying, revealed, leaked, all that good stuff. So this shoe right here, it's an SB Dunk, man. So, you know, most people, they think about SBs, you know, of course they all hyped up, they this, that, and the third. But this particular SB in general, the one I'm thinking about, man, like this one, it really, I don't know, man. It's like, it's something about it that just that stands out opposed to like, you know, the other SBs that came out this year. It's real simple. It's a subtle looking shoe. The colorway is real subtle, nothing crazy, nothing that's like all like, you know, just out there, you know what I'm saying? It don't like, it's not, you know, the colors ain't like, you know, no popping crazy designs and all that. But I'm rambling on about these shoes, man. Thought it being said, man, without further ado, that sneaker I'm talking about is a Nike Dunk SB, Yuto Horigome.
Hey, that nigga Caro made this.
All right, man, y'all see the box. Y'all know this is that, you know, that new school, that new style Nike SB box. No more that like rainbow, you know, crazy looking box. I think the purple box is still done for some SBs, but this is like the same box that your Ritos came in, and then now you got these coming in the box. So off the bat, man, you see, got your Nike SB all over the top of the box right there, and that kind of grayish kind of colorway with that cream, you know what I'm saying, boxes. The color of the box actually kind of complements the sneaker well, in my opinion, but y'all can see the shoes in a minute. But let me get y'all the size tag. So it does say Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS. Colorway is wolf gray, iron gray cell. And I did get a size 11.5 because I heard these fit kind of snug, and I did try them on. I'm like, yeah, these definitely, I'm glad I did go, you know, a half a size up. I'm gonna show y'all see that little label right there, that little box label, if y'all can see that. All right, boom. So when I say, man, these sneakers, hold on, let me do a different kind of, you know what I'm saying, a different kind of reveal, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta see the beauty behind this sneaker, man. Y'all can see that a little bit right there, but this shoe right here, man, in my personal opinion, yeah, don't get me wrong, you know, it's not like not like the Doritos, it's not like the Crenshaw, the April Dunks, all them, you know, all them other SBs, but this simple, subtle looking colorway on this shoe, like this gray and brown and pink and like that white color, it's one of a kind. You know what I'm saying? I can't lie to you, it's one of them ones. This is a sneaker that I'm very excited to have, and not only just to get them, because getting them is one thing, but getting them for retail, that's a whole different ball game right there. I got these ones for retail, man. Retail was the price I paid, not a dime over. I think it was like $130 retail with tax and everything, came out like $150 or something like that. And I know these are going for like $300 plus on like Goat, StockX, you know, some size like $400 plus. So hey, I can have my size secured in a retail price, a retail steal. But overall, man, this sneaker, you know what, let me go ahead and tell you, you know, so I got it for retail. Got it for retail at the skate shop. I forgot to mention the skateboard shop out here in Houston, man, called Geometrics. Did a little raffle, you know what I'm saying? I was blessed to get my ticket pulled from that raffle. I feel like the raffle was done pretty fair, you know what I'm saying? They had like a little bonus you could do if you spend an X amount of dollars, then you get X amount of tickets. So I bought like me a pair of jeans, whatever, and I got me a decent amount of tickets, and here we are. We got them. But enough about that, man. Let's get into the details in this shoe, man. So off the bat, you see like that nice kind of premium sweat all over the upper of the sneaker. the nice little, you know, it's not no crazy movement, but the movement is definitely there, man. The movement is definitely there a little bit. So it's soft, you know what I'm saying? It don't feel rough. The shoe don't feel cheap. I should put it like that. The shoe feels like, you know, it got that quality feel to it. I am a fan of like how the colors blend so well together with that brown and then that gray swoosh, like how the swoosh kind of goes into the brown and all that. Like it's a solid combination of colors in my opinion. That pink on the back, that pink right there, man, you know, that pink set it off right there, man. I love that pink color that's on the back that mixes in with that brown as well. Something about mocha and pink together, they just look so crazy together in my opinion. I've always been a fan of that mocha and pink look. So with these having that mocha, you know what I'm saying, that mocha pink look, now I know people out here, you know, they think everything that's brown gotta be Travis Scott. No, Travis Scott is not the creator of mocha and pink. So don't get that in y'all head that, oh, it's a Travis Scott. No, it ain't no Travis Scott vibe. This is a Yuto Horigome. I might be saying the name wrong, you know, I'm not, my Japanese ain't, you know, as you can see, you know what I'm saying, my Japanese ain't like, you know, top tier, but I did do a little research on it. You know, I'm not a huge skateboarding fan, but when it comes to like, you know, skateboarding or any kind of sports and competition sports, I'm kind of a fan of like sports in general. So looked them up, man, and hey, the main code, his skateboarding skills is up there. And like, I feel like he actually has a love for like that, the skateboarding lifestyle. Like he actually has a passion for that. That's like his thing. So I appreciate the fact that Nike got this man like his own collaboration, you know what I'm saying? You know, and it's a different kind of SB dunk as well. It's not your typical SB dunk. You know, you look at the tongue, most SB dunks had like that real puffy tongue. This one, the tongue on this one, it's got a little puffiness to it, but it ain't like, you know, your typical puffy SB tongue. You know what I'm saying? Like it's kind of a little bit thinner compared to most, but I'm not complaining about it. Hey, they still look good on feet. They still look good in hand. You know what I'm saying? Let me get the oven out the box real quick, because the details on this shoe, they might be subtle, but hey, they dope in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? You got his signature little crest right there on the side, like the two feathers right there. I think so. I've heard a couple different things. I don't know, you know, I could be wrong. I don't want to, you know, quote the wrong thing, but I did see something that said something like that's like his family crest, and another one was saying like that's like his logo or whatever. So I'm not for sure exactly what it means or what it stands for. I need to do a little bit more research on that, but I know it's something like that. Y'all might know in the comments. Y'all know in the comments what that crest stands for right there. If y'all know what that means, man, let me know in the comments if y'all have an understanding, because I really don't remember exactly what the feather stood for, but in my opinion, it's dope. You know what I'm saying? I like the way it feels. It's not like just it's not like just drawn on. Like it's actually embedded, like, you know, kind of sticking out in it so you can feel it. You know what I'm saying? Like it's a nice little feel to it. So that's dope in my opinion, man. You got the same logo behind the tongue as well. If y'all can see that right there. So it's the same little logo. And also, not only is it on the tongue, if I'm not mistaken, was it on the? Yeah, it is on the insole. So on the insole as well, you got that same little, you know, that feather, that signature logo right there as well. So that's dope in my, even the insoles is dope. I'm gonna get to that in a minute though. I'm still on like the upper of the shoe, but even the insoles on the sneaker is dope, man. And then like the outsole itself with that brown and pink, man. So when I first seen these, I talked to one of my homeboys about it. I was like, this dunk kind of give me a vibe of like a dunk that's been here before. You know what I'm saying? Like this dunk is like, it's kind of like, it got that OG feel to it, like the look of it, the color. Some people say, you know, it kind of give them like a Stussy dunk vibe. And honestly, I can kind of see it being like in the Stussy family of that dunk, because it kind of has like the same kind of, it just got that same kind of vibe to it. So this is why this dunk, in my opinion, probably why I'm so drawn to it, because it reminds me of an OG style of a dunk. You know, a lot of the newer colorways, they're real flashy, they real over the top, but like a lot of the older ones, they were subtle, but they get the job done. This is subtle, and it definitely gets the job done. In my honest opinion, man, these just might be, now don't shoot the messenger, don't kill me, don't go in my comments, you know, calling me crazy, but these just might be the best SB dunk of 2023. Now hear me out. I think I said earlier the Doritos is probably the best one, but hey man, like these, for one, this is a more wearable sneaker. The Doritos, they cool, but like the colors and like everything on this, it's so much clashing going on, so it's kind of harder to wear those. But these right here, like you can, like what I got on right now, it goes perfect with what I got on right now. You know what I'm saying? I don't got to do too much to pull off a fit with these dunks. And then, you know, I'm the king of lace swaps. The king of lace swaps. You know me, you know, I love me a good, you know what I'm saying, little lace swap, whatever. But they come with 3 laces in them, you know what I'm saying? You got the stock, you know what I'm saying, the stock laces, which is like the white color. Then you get this pink, like this salmon type of pink, and then you get that brown, that mocha. Me personally, it's been a while since I had a sneaker that I wouldn't mind putting every lace in. This is one of those shoes that like, every lace looks good. But that pink and that brown, I don't know, I can't choose. I don't know which one would look better in this sneaker, man. Like, this is a shoe that like, this definitely will probably be in my top 5. Maybe, now once again, I might sound crazy, but maybe in my top 3 sneakers of 2023. Now, I know y'all probably like, top 3, man, they just play, you know, that might be plain to you, but to me, man, these dunks is honestly one of a kind, man. Let me get these insoles out, because these insoles is definitely dope too, in my opinion. They both get something different on the insoles, you know what I'm saying? One of them has the logo. I'm struggling with this paper. All right, so the insoles, man, you get, on one insole itself, you got the Nike SB logo with like the little flower, like the little cherry blossoms all throughout the insole. That's dope in my opinion, man. Like, this man, Yuto, he really pays homage to his hometown of, if I'm not mistaken, once again, I believe he's from Tokyo, Japan. And he really pays homage to that with like his designs, even the color, like the color of the sneaker. It gives you like that Tokyo, that Japan feel. Then the other insole, like I said, you get the same little cherry blossom leaves, whatever that's on there, and you get the crest, his signature logo right there as well. So that's another thing about these insoles, man. Like, they really took their time out for this sneaker, in my opinion, man. They really put time into like the craftsmanship, the designs, the logos, man. Like, and then, you know, the insoles, instead of get that, you know, for y'all legit checkers out there, no, I'm pretty sure there are reps of these around the market, but your insole should have that little, you know, that little boost. I think that's a little boost. You know, I might be wrong with the thing. I think it's called like the boost zone, whatever. In the bottom of it, your insole should have that. And if they don't got that, man, I ain't gonna lie to you. You might have some, you know what I'm saying, some what? You know what the word is, that R word. Might have one of them in them jumps, man. I don't know, but overall, man, dope sneaker, dope colorway, beautiful design, beautiful shoe, man. One of my favorites of 2023. One of them shoes that, like, I guess I can see myself doing so much with these, man. Like, normally I do a review on the shoe, and I don't say too much about it. I'm not really too hyped for them, but this is a shoe that, like, I'm so glad to have in my collection, man. Like, the colorway, I didn't even pay attention to the tongue itself. Hold on. I don't know if I showed y'all yet, but the tongue it has that same thing that, let me get that to focus for y'all. But that tongue has the Nike SB and that Yuto Horigome, his signature logo on his name on the tongue as well. Like I said, even on the back of it, got his little logo on the back. Nike, they really gave him, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, he deserved it, man. You know, he was the first person ever to, when they introduced skateboarding to the Olympics, to win the Olympic gold medal on skateboard. He was the one to do it. So, hey, it's only right, you know what I'm saying? He gets his signature SB dunk, man. And then the way they did it, they gave him like a great design. I'm pretty sure he probably, you know, had a lot to do with the design itself, but the design itself is top tier A1 in my opinion, you know what I'm saying? So, kudos to Nike for putting out some amazing top tier SBs, man, because recently the SBs, they've been hard, but it's like, it's so much going on with them. Like, they're more of an art piece than like a sneaker. And these, it's a little bit of both. It's like an art piece and it's a sneaker at the same time. So it's easy to wear and not just to look at. You know what I'm saying? Like how a lot of these SBs they've been easier to look at than to wear. But these, like I said, man, one of them ones, beautiful sneaker. Oh yeah, also inside the box, you got like a Nike SB. You can see that it's probably real bright, but like a Nike SB, it's a little bit too bright to show that, but it's like a Nike SB sticker that comes inside the box. So that's dope, you know what I'm saying, for y'all legit checkers out there. If y'all got these, you know what I'm saying, from whoever, a third party site or somebody else, and not like an actual sneakers or a skate shop. Just want y'all to know that, you know, this should be in the, I mean, who knows, it might not be in the box, but I mean, I think I've seen a few videos with this did come in the box and other people got them and this was in the box. But yeah, so that's that on that, man. Like I said, beautiful sneakers, man. One of my favorites of 2023, probably if not in the top 5, I mean, if not in the top 3, definitely in the top 5, but we still got a little while to go in the year. You already know what my number 1 is. If you don't know by now, then, hey, number 1, you already know. But with all that being said, man, you know what I'm saying, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, y'all turning my channel up, subscribers going up almost at 600. I know I've been slacking a little bit on my posting, but hey, you know, I'm getting there, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep it coming, I'm gonna keep it rolling, you know, the channel constantly rolling and rolling and rolling. So get that going, man. Got plenty more reviews on the way and more unboxing videos on the way, more events to go to, more everything coming. So y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all make sure y'all subscribing, man. Make sure y'all don't just watch the video, make sure y'all push that subscribe button too, man. You know, smash the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, press that share button, tell a friend and tell a friend to make sure that friend tell another friend, man. With all that being said, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. I'm catching y'all on the next one, man. Peace.